Okay, would the defendant please rise? Madam Clerk, you may publish the verdict.
We, the jury, finds as follows: the defendant in this case, defendant is guilty of murder in the first degree as charged. So say we all.
The jury having found you guilty of murder in the first degree, Miss Mee, I will adjudicate you guilty and sentence you to life in prison without parole.
When she read that, the only thing I remember is turning around and looking at my mom. And I knew right then and there my life was over.
Killer Women Season 2. Watch now for free on True Crime Central.